pick it up. I can't get enough. Got me lost in your love.
So first film yourself on TikTok like what did I do?
Only me Mo Muna, then turn on save on device to automatically save the video on your phone.
Then post. Go to your Capcut. New project, then add your video. So this is my not edited video.
Split nyo sa lalabas na kayo. Follow what I am doing.
Click the second clip, then speed. Click curved and custom. Click edit, then follow what I'm doing. Add beat. Add beat. Add beat. Add beat. Click this to add beat. Adjust the first beat upward to 1.4.
Dito nyo tignan.
Next beat is 0.1.
Isagad nyo sa baba.
Third is 3.2. Fourth is 0.1 again. Fifth is 2.7. Sixth is 0.3. Seventh is 1.6. Eighth is 0.1 again. And last is 1.1. Please screenshot or memorize its spacing.
Tapos, i-mute natin yung vid natin.
Click volume and adjust it. Click audio and extract it, then add your video. And now we will add flash. Click overlay and add overlay. Go to stock video and click white. Add. Zoom it to cover our video. Adjust duration to 1.1. Click splice and dodge. Click animation, then out and fade out. Adjust the duration to 0.4. Copy. Click it and adjust the duration to 0.7 and change the splice to overlay. Next, adjust the duration of fade out to 0.3. Then copy it, then drag to your video like this.
Icon na bahala kung saan mo ilalagay at kung saan ka comfortable.
Or just watch me doing it and do it after this tutorial. This is the result and before and after.
And please believe I'ma pick it up. Now, cause I can't get it up. Got me lost in your love.